the next program, that is conversion of hex number into the ASCII characters. Okay, that ASCII character is nothing but it is a American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. In that number, we have to convert the hexadecimal number. Suppose any hexadecimal number is given to you, it should be get converted into the ASCII character. For that, we have a program. Okay, so the name is hex to ASCII. Okay, hexadecimal to ASCII. The ASCII the block has been given in your book also. From that, the number you have to see. Okay, what is the code assigned for that particular 0, 1, A, B, C, D. Okay, A to Z, capital, A to Z, the small letters have been assigned to you. 0 and 0 to 9, the some character has been assigned to you. As you know that ASCII it is a 7-byte instruction. Okay, from that particular 7-byte instruction, you have to take out the code, and that code has to be get displayed by this particular program in a Anshuman kit. Okay, students. So you have to write down the assembly language program. Write assembly language program for to convert the content of the memory location. Write assembly language program to the content of memory. What is the content of the memory location? This one. We have to store that particular location 20D0. Okay, and the number which is present in 20D0, the result will be get stored in the another location. Store result in 20D1. Okay, students. So this much value or this much number we will be saying. What will be the number? We will see here. Sample program we have to write down. Okay, the sample program 20D0. What number will be getting stored? Okay, take any number. Suppose it is 4C or 0C. You will see that this one. After conversion, you will get the result, and that result is nothing but it is stored in the 20D1. Result will be stored in the 20D1. The conversion, as we know that from the table we have to take the value. That value will be 43. So this is the result. This result we have to form in the program. Okay. So here you have the sample program like this. We will write down here the memory address. Memory sample program 20D0 0C, and the result will be get stored in 20D1, that is 43. This is the main result. Now here the memory address, then label, then mnemonics, then upcode, and then comments. Okay, this comment is the homework for you. Friends, the comment is homework for you, and you have to write down and you have to tell what is the comment of this particular instructions. Now you have to follow the instruction. So what is the first step? You have to load the content of 20D0 directly. So you have the instruction, that is LDA. What from this where address you have to call from this 20D0. So just write down 20D0. Then you have to compare immediate that particular value. So you have the instruction, that is CPI, the number 0 to 9 means it is 1 0 number. So CPI is 10. Then jump if carry. Okay, JC. Where to jump? We don't know. Just we write down the star mark, then we will decide where to jump. Then API, this instruction is very much important. because it counts the number from A to Z and 0 to 9. Okay, minus 0 to 9 and 1. Okay, this is the one instruction. It is very much important instruction, students. And then we will see the value which is going to be get jumped to that particular instruction. So you have A, D, I, 0. Okay, this idea 0, and where you have to store? You have to store that particular result in a 20D1. So here directly we write down STA 20D1. Okay, students, LDA 20D0, CPI 10, JC, okay, then API, then ADI, then STA, and you have to end the program. For ending the program, you have the instruction that is HLT. Now the memory address you will see. Meanwhile, this JC, where it will be get jump. The label here it will jump. You will be assigned the star mark. Now the memory address here it requires a 3 for the LDA. It is having one code. That code has to be written in this memory address 20F0. Then D0, sorry, D0 has to be get stored in this memory address, that is F1, F2, since it is 3 byte instruction. It is 1 byte instruction, so it is F CPI, it is a 1, and this 10 has to be get stored in the next address. So you will get F2, F3, comma F4, this JC, F5 means it will require the 3. What is the address of this one? Will be get inserted by this JC. So here are the 3, F6 and F7. Then API. This API it requires only a one particular address, that is a C6 you will be getting, and this either this value has to be get entered, that value will be forming to the next address. So here the two, that is for the API you will require F8, F9. It is F10 means FA, then STA, FB, this D1, D2, FC, BC, D, and then for the halt it requires FE. Okay, this is the memory address which is assigned for this particular instruction. Now we will see the opcode. Opcode for this LDA it is 3A D0 D020. Then CPI it requires FE. How much value? It is 10, means 10 is nothing but A means a 10, that is 0A. You have to write down directly. Then JC it is DA. This ADI means FA. Okay, 20FA. So here it will get jumped. So this address you have to write down here. Means what is the memory address? It is FA 20. Then API. API it is having the opcode that is C6 and A9 and 1. The whole thing is will get represented with a, it is a 0 to 7, so you will be getting that particular value 0, 7. Then ADI O, ADI again you will be getting C6 with this O, it is 30, up to 30 numbers will be getted, and then 32, D1, 20 and CF. So this is the program for conversion of the hexadecimal to ASCII number. Okay, students, we will perform this in a Anshuman kit so that you may able to understand that how this conversion and how the result is get stored. Okay, let's go for a perform the program.
We are going to start the next problem, that is hex to ASCII conversion. As we have studied in a paper number 2, the conversion for the ASCII. Here the hex number has been given to you, that is 0C, and the result, after seeing that particular table, the result will be displayed in this 20D1, that is 43. There is a table given in your book. Okay. So we have to write down the mnemonics we have to write down the label, we have to write down the memory address, we have to write down the opcode for the mnemonics written here, and we have to write down the comment. But first we will start the mnemonics, how to write the mnemonics for this one. The mnemonics, it is written, it is LDA, load the accumulator, where there is the number 20D0, it is 0C. So first we have to write down 20D0. Okay, then compare immediate the number, it is 10, that is 0 to 9, and then JC, here the label mark we are giving where we have to jump. Okay, then API, here the API capital A minus 9 minus 1. Okay, this is the way for writing or displaying this thing in this way. Okay, then ADI instruction, that is, it is related with a whole thing with a O, that is 0. Then store, what where the number is going to be stored, you have to write down the address, it is 20D1, 20D1, and then halt the program. Okay, this is a simple program. By using this program, this number will be get converted into this ASCII format. Now this JC, the label has been assigned to you, and that label has to be get formed with the ADI 0. Okay students, for this you have the address 20F0, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, because the 3 locations we have to use, then F7, then F8, F9, F10, 11, and F11, FC, and BC, FC. Here the 2 locations is going to be required, that's why F8 and F9. The opcode required, that is LDA, it is of 3A, D020, then CPI 10, it is FE 10, it is represented with 0A, it means it has a 2 location. Okay, so here F3 and F4 we have to write down. Then JC code, it is DA, the here we have to jump. Now we have to adjust for first we will write down the opcode of each and everything, and then we will see where the location is going to be jumped. Here leave the space blank for a meanwhile. Then API C6, and this code, it is 07, means it is of a 2 byte. Here we have written 1, we will make here changes. Then ADI, it is C6. Okay, ADI and API, it is C6. Then 30, the O, it is assigned the value. Then 32 D1 and 20, and lastly the CF. Now we will adjust the addresses. Here it requires the 3 address, that's why the 3 memory addresses has been assigned. The 2 opcode means here the 2 address, here the 3 address we have to assign. F4, it is F5, F6, F7. Okay, now it is F8, F9, again F10 means FA and FB, FC, D, E, and F. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are the things which we have changes according to this opcode. Okay, now JC, here where it is going to be jumped, the first address, that is 20FA. So just you write down here FA and 20. just enter this one, see the result, either it is coming this or not. Okay, for this one we have started the kit. Okay, we have reset thing, and then first, what is the first step? First we have to initialize this one 20D0, where the number, first the number which we have to convert, we have to assign this one address as CR20D0. the number is 0C, 0C, and then it is FF, it is, we have to make the value 00. For your convenience, we will see here 20D0, it contains 0C, and the result will be get displayed in the 20D1. Okay, now coming back to our main location 20F0, here we have to enter the opcode. The opcode which for the first address 20F0, it is 3A. Okay, we will write, put here 3A, then D020 for this, where the first number has been get stored. Okay, then it is 20, then FE, then 0A. Okay, then DA with the FA and 20, FA and 20, then C6, 07, next location again C6 and 30, then the number where you have to store, it is 32, where we have to store in 20D1. So 32 D1 and 20, and lastly the program has to get end with a CF instruction. Go one step ahead, here you will be getting 00. Okay, 20FF, 20FF at the end. Now what is the process? We'll go one step ahead, make the value 0, that particular address, and run the program. For running, you have to keep this step in your mind, that is escape, go to CR, the first address 20F0, then press CR, the program is executed, register, substitute, and the command will be get displayed. As soon as the command displayed, it means that program is run. Okay, but if it is not displayed, then something is occurred, something mistake is occurred. You have to keep that thing in your mind. Okay, as command is occurred, means the program is okay and it is ready for displaying the result. Then press SCR one time, and press aside from the CR, press any key two times. The register will be get displayed, and then press CR. What was the result? A43. A is equal to 43. In the accumulator, the result will be get stored 43. Now we will see the address. In this address also the 43 number will be get stored. Okay, means whatever the program we have written, it is correct. S20D1, it is 43. Okay, so 20D, we will go back, we will see the number 20D0, it is 0C, and the result, it is 20D1. in the address, it is 43. Okay, 43, we have made the first location as a 0, and now after execution of the program, the result will be get like this. Okay students.